Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Master Model lesson. In the hairdryer model, add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw a vertical line and dimension as shown. Go to the menu Insert, Features, Split. Click on Cut Part. Select the rear cover and rename it. Use the Consume Cut Bodies option and click OK. Open the split cover part, review it, and return to the hairdryer part. Pre-select the front plane and click in the menu Insert, Features, Split. Click on Cut Part. Select each split body and rename them. Use the Consume Cut Bodies option and click OK. Open the left and right split parts to review them and return to the left side. Select New, Make Assembly from Part. Select a template and click OK. Locate the part in the origin and click OK. Add the right part to the assembly and also locate it in the origin. Finally, add the back cover and click OK. Save all files to finish.